We have two really fun surprise sets to open, and we are starting with the Mini Brands Fill the Fridge set. Then we will open up the L.O.L Surprise Unicorn Tots, which has a completely different surprise element inside. First up is the Mini Brands Fridge. I will say these are packaged really well. It did take me a minute to get all of the packaging off and actually get into everything. So nothing is loosely bouncing around, everything is individually packaged. Once you get it all opened, the fridge itself is really cute. It looks like a little retro fridge with two separate doors, and you can actually open it up and start filling it with your mini brands. It even has little shelves and storage areas inside, so it really does look like a miniature version of a real fridge. This set comes with 4 exclusive mini brands Create Minis, so there are actually little foods to put inside. You also get a fridge magnet to decorate and personalize the fridge, which is such a cute detail. But probably the coolest feature is the working UV light inside the fridge. Since these are mini brands Create Minis, you actually make little foods using the included resin, and then the UV light helps cure and harden your creations. So the fridge isn't just for displaying everything afterwards, it actually is part of making the minis too. And once you're finished, you have this little fridge to keep everything organized and display your collection. If you already collect mini brands, this fridge itself is probably going to be just as fun as the surprises that come with it. Now let's move on to the L.O.L Surprise Unicorn Tots. This is another one where you don't know exactly which doll you're getting until you open it. There are 8 different unicorn tots to collect, so I'm excited to see which one we got. Again, there's quite a bit of packaging to work your way through, but that's part of the whole surprise unboxing experience with these. Inside you get 1 unicorn tot along with 2 colorful potions. These dolls are really different from the regular L.O.L dolls because the body is transparent and it's designed to look like a little lava lamp. You pour the 2 colorful potions into the doll, and then the colors can move around inside that clear body for the lava lamp effect. It's such a creative way to add an activity to the unboxing instead of just opening the doll and being done. The dolls also have real colorful hair, and each one has its own look and personality. I love all the bright colors and the little unicorn details. Even the ball it comes in has another purpose. Once everything is opened, you can use it as a little display stand for the unicorn tot instead of just throwing the package away. So these are 2 completely different unboxings, but both have more to do after you open the surprises. With the mini brand set, you get to create your little foods, cure them with a UV light, decorate the fridge, and fill it up. And then with the unicorn tot, you get the surprise of finding out which doll you received, and then creating that colorful lava lamp effect inside. Definitely a fun unboxing, especially if you like miniatures, collectibles, and surprise toys where there's actually an activity to do once you get everything opened.